what's in the box, Axel? Let's open this, guys. My dad likes sending me packages. Ooh, what's that? It has all my favorite snacks. I just asked my mom for a chocolate bunny. Let's make chocolate milk with it. That sounds great. It's peanut butter and jelly. It is. Drunk mangoes are the best. Yummy. I can't wait to eat these babies. I want to eat these babies. I got a lot of good protein. My favorite pineapple fruit. Yummy! Thank you so much, Dad. You're the best. That's my favorite Hang Loose juice.